Hi friends, I am P. Ramarao, lecturer in Botany, GDC Men's Srikakulam. Now we are going to discussing about very important 8 marks question, that is structure of embryo sac from 7th lesson intermediate first year. So that is a embryo sac is also called as a female gametophyte. It produces the egg cell or female gamete for fertilization. So it is called as a female gametophyte. The embryo sac having three parts. There are, first one is egg apparatus, second one is polar nuclei, third one is secondary nucleus cell, and third one is as antipodal cells. The embryo sac is developed in ovule or a megasporangium. The first part is egg apparatus, a group of three cells towards the micropylar end of the embryo sac. A big cell is present in the center of the embryo sac. A big cell is present in the center of the egg apparatus, that is egg cell or a female gametophyte. The female gametophyte is fused with the one male gamete at the time of fertilization. The egg cell fused with the male gamete, it forms the zygote, and then zygote is developed as an embryo. The synergid cells are the two cells present either sides of the egg cell. The synergid cell having filiform apparatus that is useful for to direct pollen tube into the embryo sac at the time of fertilization. The second part of the embryo sac is polar nuclei or secondary nucleus cell. A binucleate cell present in the center of the embryo sac is called as a polar nuclei or a secondary nucleus cell. It is useful for triple fusion that produce PEC, that means primary endosperm cell. Pollen tube carries two male gametes. One of the male gamete is fused with polar nuclei and forms the PEC cell or a primary endosperm cell. The primary endosperm cell developed as a endosperm at the time of embryo development. Third part of the embryo sac is antipodal cells. These antipodal cells are present at the chelazal end. A group of three cells present toward the chelazal end is called as a antipodal cells. So in this way, the matured embryo sac having 7 cells and 8 nuclei. So this is the very important point in the embryo sac. It is very important for NEET and MSET. So the matured embryo sac having 7 cells and 8 nuclei. Okay. So the last, so this is the diagram is very important, and this will carries 3 marks at the time of 8 marks evaluation. So we have to practice this diagram, and it is very helpful for to write the notes. Thank you.